Hey, it's Modern Day Trading with some live examples from October 24th, 2016. I'm paying attention to Microsoft right here. I was watching it on Friday and it had a really hard time breaking through 60. And today it broke through 60 pretty quick. And I should have bought it right above 60. And I wasn't really paying attention this morning. But I'm buying here. Consolidated a little bit right before that 25 cent. So I just bought above that. And I'm hoping that it continues higher. So I have 400 shares of Microsoft at 60.26 and my stop is at 60.13 at the moment. I'm watching to see if Microsoft can break the high on Friday, which was 60.45. If it can't break 60.45, I'm just going to get out of it because I missed a good entry at 60. So Microsoft kind of just wicked up to 40 cents and kind of came down, and I don't think my out's it's gonna hold, so I'm watching it closely and I might just get out for a small loss or break even. Alright, so I just got out Microsoft for a really small 1-2 cent loss, and I might try again later. I'm looking at Amazon. Just pulled back and made a nice little break of 824 and I missed that. But it has above average volume and I'm still willing to buy it here. Amazon has a average true range of 10 points and it barely moved right now, so I think even if I buy right here and risk to a cent below 824, 823.99, it would still be worth it. So I'm getting ready to buy it right here. I just checked the SPYs and it looks like the market is ready to go higher. So I just bought Amazon, 50 shares at 825.86 and my stop would be at 823.99. So about 2 points of risk and 50 shares. I'm going to speed the clip up 4 times now so you can see how Amazon plays out. It's about to break the highs of the day. At this point, Amazon's about 130% normal volume right now. I just took off 1/10 of my position, taking a small profit, and I'm going to be looking to keep taking off small pieces of Amazon. I'm just going to keep watching Amazon and selling some pieces into strength, and when it starts to pull back more, I'm going to start trailing bigger pieces of my position. But I'm hoping that Amazon can keep trending higher today. So far, I took off 10 shares, about 1/5 my position for roughly 4 to 5 points. And I'm just taking some more off here too. So now I'm looking at PayPal. PayPal had a really good earnings on Friday and then it completely destroyed and rallied. I just bought in at 44. I see it's pretty much in a tight range right above 44 and holding 43.99. So I bought in 44.07s and my stop about 10 cents lower. PayPal's a little bit of a slow move, so I'm going to speed it up to 10 times the speed. PayPal had a high of 44.24 on Friday, so I'm hoping they can break there and continue high as well. So I added some more into PayPal. Have 700 shares at 44.07 and my stop at 44.97, so 10 cents. And I'm still holding just 20 shares of Amazon, and I trailed it out to the last kind of low. So if it stops me out on Amazon, I'll make about 3 points on the last 20 shares. And PayPal, I'm waiting for it to break 44.24. So I just took off some more Amazon. 10 shares left. And PayPal just broke Friday's high, so now I'm seeing some nice moves upwards. And I'm gonna see if I can sell some at 44.50. I already threw up some offers for almost half my position to sell some at 44.50. And Amazon looks like it's pretty much dying out here, so I trailed it again. I'm about to get stopped out on Amazon. PayPal just broke 50 cents. Sold most of my position there, half of it. And I sold a little bit more on the way down in the high 40s. Alright. I'm going to just hold 200 shares of PayPal. Sold 500 shares for 40 cents a profit, roughly. And PayPal's starting to come back. Pretty big pullback from here. Just broke the breakout spot of 0.25, which gets me a little bit worried. I'm gonna hold it to see if it can continue higher, and this is just a pullback. But if it seems weak, I might just take out my last 200 shares and not hold it to my original out, which is at 43.97. Okay, I just got out of PayPal. Seems like the move is done. Made a really small amount on my last 200 shares. Alright, on to my next trade. DVA just got some negative news and increased volume. So I'm going to wait for an entry and try to short this. Starting to pick up some more volume. Alright, I just shorted a little bit. Just testing the waters out, just 100 shares. And I'm just giving it to 0.91. I see lower highs, so I just shorted 100, but I just got stopped out, and I hit the whole number and held that. So now I'm short again, giving another try, 200 shares, and my stop would be at 60.01. Right now it's just made new lows and it's looking better. So 200 shares, my average price is at $59.95. My stop is at 01, so it's pretty small risk. I could have got more size, but I wasn't really sure if that was the right entry point. But you can see that it just shot down pretty fast. I didn't get to take off any piece of my position there. I'm hoping it doesn't stop me out and give me another chance. And I'm going to be sure to cover near that low area, 59.25. See that I just made new lows again. I'm going to start covering into this weakness. Nice little move near the whole number. Have my orders and bids to cover some. So I covered some pieces right there. Had a pretty vicious wick back up. It's pretty violent. But I have over a point right now while risking less than 10 cents. Got a pretty nice move, so I already covered more than half my position and I'm trailing it out because I don't want these vicious pullbacks back to my against me, I mean. So I got out of my most of position right there. Just 25 shares left, just kind of track it, and I'm just giving to the last previous high, which just stopped me out right there. That was a nice short on Diva while risking pretty little, so I'll take that. And right now it's about 2 hours into the day at 11:25, and I'm up $360. Thanks for watching, everyone.